Qorvo is known as an RF power company. Markets from cellular handsets to cellular infrastructure to defense. We've made two acquisitions. The first was Active Semi, followed by United SiC. Active Semi has two kinds of power capabilities. One is more of your traditional analog power for more DC to DC kind of PMIC applications. And then the second is it has more of a digital power kind of architecture for motor control. And in motor control specifically, it brings some real advantages in efficiency. And really our Active Semi technology really caters to that. This ease of use, this highly efficient power management solutions is really kind of the sweet spot of what the technology does in those spaces. From white goods to ceiling fans to power tools, even solid state drives, where you really want the smallest form factor, most efficient solution. There's applications there where our technology is a great fit.
Our acquisition follows the acquisition in 2019 of Active Semi. From the outset, our team has always wanted to let every material do what it does best. So this is why we use a silicon MOSFET as the primary switching device and a silicon carbide JFET as the wide bandgap material.
So for the high power segment of the market, what we're going to do is we're actually going to take the technology that we've developed with our Active Semi IP, and we're going to build full systems around our technology and really provide our customers with complete solutions.
The ICs that Active Semi manufactures can be used to drive our silicon carbide JFETs, and not only drive them, but also monitor their temperature and the amount of current that's actually flowing through them. And they can augment our devices, extracting even higher performance out of our silicon carbide JFETs than we can by ourselves.
If you look at more of the industry trends, what you see is that as the world moves to greener solutions where efficiency matters more, you look at the automotive industry moving to more self-driving cars, EVs, solutions like that, you're starting to see where compound semis that have traditionally been used in the RF world are now playing a bigger part in the DC and the AC-DC power segments. Qorvo sees this market intersection between the technology that's been used in the RF power side, namely silicon carbide, GaN on silicon carbide, GaN technologies, really starting to play an important role in both DC to DC and AC to DC power management solutions. And so what you're going to see from Qorvo is we're going to bring out a really broad-based family of power management products, from high power products that use the silicon carbide power technology, all the way down to low voltage DC to DC solutions. You're going to see a whole family of products over the next 5 years.